to talk about this fashion show that I did today. If you hear some noise in the background, it's because I'm babysitting for my brother. It was his birthday yesterday. So my niece and my nephew are here. And you guys also know I have a 3-year-old. I'm about to do a what?
But you is going to do an interview.
What is an interview?
When you do makeup. You're doing it right now.
Because I'm putting up my ring light?
Ow. Why, Mommy?
Girl, interview, this is not an interview. It's called vlogging.
But why are you doing that? Why put your makeup on?
I'm not going to, do you see me putting on makeup right now?
I want you to stay like that.
You want me to stay like this?
Yeah. You look pretty.
Oh, thank you. You're so sweet, baby.
I want you to be some more pretty. Why Ashley got strong muscles?
You gonna say hey to the video? Hey to the camera? The camera already see you, but... Asher, how you pop the top off? 8-month-old, and my 8-month-old is just crawling around the house, so... You're gonna hear me telling him to stop and stuff like that. Here he is right now. And it was a bomb experience. So, I've done some fashion shows before. And... they were like, I don't know. The first one was like low budget, kind of. And now, none of these fashion shows I got paid. I've always done non-profit fashion shows. They had some money at this particular one. Like, it was in a really nice hotel. It was a Marriott Bon Voyage. I don't know. Marriotts are nice. It was supposed to be 2 makeup artists there, but it ended up just being me, and it was a lot of girls. Like, I couldn't even do everybody. Like, some people just had to do their own makeup because I couldn't, and then some people just got their eyelashes done. Some people just was like, just do me something. You did everybody, and you didn't do me. Just do me something, and I just put some highlight on them, put a pair of lashes if they didn't have no lashes, and then boom, just send them out, because that's how many people it was, and it was just me. Like, I couldn't do everybody. So anyways, it was for Fallbrook Church, and it was like their 20th anniversary holiday brunch, and they ended up having a fashion show also. So no makeup was supplied, you know. I just, since I'm freelance, I brought everything. I brought all of my stuff, all of my kit. And now one thing I will say is that hotel was nice, but they was like kind of strict because, you know, some hotels be having complimentary breakfast or whatever. But I guess this hotel did it, and I thought they did because they had like breakfast buffet set up in the middle when I walked in. So I'm like, oh, okay, I haven't had no breakfast. Let me give me some. About to get some breakfast because I haven't eaten any breakfast, and you know you can't do makeup on an empty stomach. Just a little breakfast bar. Guys, it's a nice hotel too. Some toast. The what?
With the boomers?
Boomers? Oh, this is their breakfast?
Yeah, this is
okay.
this is a private. I'm sorry, you can't because they can't get.
But I already touched it. That's what I'm saying.
I took it up. Thank you.
Well, that's an epic fail. So, guys, this is my son Asher. He just has to be in the camera in the video. This is my 8-month-old baby boy. So, I'm going to get into the video because can't do too much talking with him right here because he want to talk over me and everything, as you can see, the kid. So, let's get into it. Bonvoy Marriott, I don't know. It's really nice. We're here. So So guys, this show was pretty bomb. I mean, I just did the makeup. It was supposed to be 2 makeup artists, but the other one didn't show up, which is highly unprofessional. Like, dang girl, you left me all by myself, and I had over 20 people to do, and you left me by myself. But anyways, the people were really sweet. Some of them tipped me. A lot of them were like they want to work with me in the future. The looks that they really had wanted was smoky eyes, like a warm smoky eye, nothing bold, something really neutral and light. They had wanted something like that. Lashes. And guys, it was so overwhelming. It got to the point where they were like, everybody just put your foundation on, and she's just gonna do your eyeshadow and your lashes, because it was so many people. And guys, you know, foundation, highlighting, and contour, that takes the longest to do. So it was just very overwhelming. So towards the end, that's why I won't post that many pictures of before and after, because I don't want to post like I don't want to post half work. It's not all my work. So I'm just gonna post the pictures that I did full face makeup. Everything else, I took pictures and I'll post the pictures, but other than that, I'll just post what I did. It was, the fashion show that I did was Fallbrook's 20th holiday brunch. And they had a fashion show where people could, basically it's like charity. You could basically buy all of the outfits that they had on, the jewelry and stuff like that. And then outside they had vendors. They had brunch inside, and I'll also insert a little video. Of everything that they got. Guys, look, they taking pictures of this car. I mean, this is a nice area, so I could see it, guys. It's a waterfall out here, and I am in Texas. I'm in the Woodlands. You could just call this the Woodlands because I'm up the street from the Woodlands. I'm on I think it's called Six Pines. But guys, it's really nice out here. See, they got little chairs out here. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. And y'all see, oh, do y'all see me in this sunlight with guys? So anyways, the fashion show was really fun. I'm convinced that I'm just supposed to be a behind the scenes person. I'm just supposed to be a person that does makeup for fashion shows, movies, TV, photo shoots and stuff like that. As much as I want to work in like a MAC or Ulta, I just don't know if that's for me, because I can't seem to get a job doing that, like working in MAC or Ulta or Sephora. So for now I'm fine, you know. And then even though, you know, also another thing I want to say is, guys, this was non-profit, so I did not get paid for this. 20 girls, and I did not get, oh, and lashes that I provided on my own. I didn't get paid for this, you guys, at all. So I mean, the only bad part is, you know, you're not getting paid for your time and your service. But the good part is, you know, a lot of people see your work, and they're like, oh my god, I want to work with you. Like, and then you get future business clientele. They're like, give me a whole bunch of your business cards so I can hand them out. And they're also referring me to their friends. So that's really good. You know, you get around by word of mouth. But I just love doing makeup, so any chance I can get doing makeup, it don't matter if it's free. If I'm drawing a dog face on a dog, I don't care. It's makeup and I'm gonna do it. So that's it, you guys. I'm going to log off because I'm waiting for my mom, and it's hot out here, and I got this jacket on. So you guys, let me know in the comment section, you know, what other stuff you guys would like to see me do. or you know, anything. Also, me and my friend, we're looking into starting a YouTube channel together, like funny videos, doing funny videos, vlogs about celebrity gossip and how we feel about it, fashion, makeup, hair tutorials. We're gonna do it together. It's gonna like a best friend vlog. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know. Give me some ideas for videos for us. And guys, just like and subscribe, because I'm trying to get this YouTube winning team. You feel me?